你讲开始啊？
开始。
我很帅。
Hi guys, this is our common room.
We have decorated our wall for Raya. So now I brought these guys. And then here's our snacks area. Put my utensils and all, like all the things over here. Put our clips here. Look at that. Because you need a clip for your laundry, right? And then here's some Maggi mee and all, some instant noodle. Then here I have a lot of drinks like teas, and then I brought my apple cider vinegar, oil. Then that's my steamer. Yeah, steamer.
Rice
And then rice cooker, because we only use this to cook for everything. We have the egg thingy. I think you can bring it so it's very convenient. Yeah. And then we have our
Air fryer.
So we can fry stuff because it's very simple and convenient. Wait, let me check the limit. Yeah, it's not that packed today, but usually we put a lot of fruits, and then there's this ice area. And then next is this stuff, like the heater. It's a must to bring because you need to cook your water or else no hot water. You bring this thing as well because they only have like few switches. In this common room, there's only one.
There's another one here.
Yeah, two and three only.
Not bad, but
Yeah, but in the room there's only two, so remember to bring your own extension cord.
so you need to bring a flower also.
Yeah, make it look more like. Also, we have a fish here,
Oh.
but yeah, make it
No,
more
it's
lively.
buried down here. So whoever stays here, you can you can pay a visit to our fish.
Oh my god!
The name is Hope. So
Hope and Faith. Let's don't talk about it. Yeah. Then we have our trash bin. And then because I usually bring waters. Oh yeah, they have the water filter outside our room, but I think it's cleaner and like more convenient if I bring my own water. So I'll just take it out and drink it. I want to cook the water, I can straight pour it. It's much simple. Sometimes I use like, spritzer, they actually sell some kind of like thing. It's very easy to use that, but the thing is that it takes very long, so I prefer using bottle. Yeah, even though it's a bit not environmental friendly. Yeah, then that's all. T-shirts or shoe. They provide this thing as well, so
Yeah,
all you
shoe
can do
rack.
is just bring your shoes, and then your carpet. Carpet is very important. This is my room in KY, which is Kolej University. This is not a sponsored video, but yeah. Okay, so first of all, this is the wall. My friends surprised me and then they pasted a lot of pictures. Bring your own beanbag if you want. And then here's the table. I usually open it and I put it here. Then I can stack a lot of stuff. I also have my gym area. Not gym, but like all the exercise stuff here. Oh, if you see this, right, all this like pinky stuff is actually the cockroach repellant. Apparently, there are a lot of cockroaches, so you need these to like put it around. And then next, oh yeah,
There's a balcony here.
you guys can bring your own broom because they don't provide anything. You can hang your clothes outside, so remember to bring your own hanger. And yeah, so there is a rack here. It's ready, so you just need to.
bring.
Yeah, you just need to buy this thing.
And make sure before you open.
Because there might be something out there. This is my study table. So I place a lot of papers there, like some motivation. And then I place my own like a whole year timetable here that I can take, I have my own clock.
Oh yeah, and this organizer box is really helpful as I get to stuff all my cables in this box and make it less messy.
And then like so here's my speaker. This is the diffuser. It's very dusty, so I need the humidifier and all. And then this is the chair that they provide. And then they have this. It's really messy, but yeah. Here's my stationery.
What's this?
This is it's for me to screw you.
Oh my god, why you want to bring a screwdriver?
I bought it from Shopee because last time when I need it, I don't have it, so like just in case.
It's a waste of money.
Good. I have my own lights here because it can get really dark. I usually like brighter areas.
Ah, study.
So this is my bedside table. I bought this. This is like 坐垫. Mat. The reason I bought this is because you can put it on the floor. Then I feel like changing environment. If you watch my past video, I like to change environment.
Nobody wants.
Hey. This is like a mini table that I can put it on my bed and also on the floor. I bought everything from Shopee for like really cheap price.
The shop beep 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 beep. The shop beep 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 beep.
Shopee should sponsor us.
Sponsored by Shopee.
This is called bedsheet.
Bedsheet. Bed poop.
They put your head. You need to bring your own bedsheet, so they will just provide you a bed. So here's the curtain. They provide the curtain, but you can wash it and change it, I think. I don't know, but like here's the view of my room. Outside is the view. Oh my god, who's that? Oh, Yuzen. Okay, hi. This is the cupboard. Up there, I have my tissue papers.
Ooh, so many clothes.
Actually, I have more, but like, oops, this is
I
like
thought last week I saw very messy one.
No! You need to bring your own hammers. Yeah, a lot. Then you need to bring your own towel because you know it's important.
Don't doubt Amber.
Yeah, random stuff here also.
Random stuff.
Plastic books and all. Then of course you need to bring insecticide because you know we're living in the jungle. So
ASMR.
ASMR.
Sponsored by.
Sponsored by. Yeah. So laundry bag. They provide laundry service but all the stuff like. Hey!
Rubbish!
And then next is the toilet. Very dirty but like yeah.
Calm down, calm down.
You need to bring all this stuff like your detergent, shampoo and all. Then yeah, you need to bring your own pail because they don't have it. And also toiletries. That's all. So all you need to bring is. Thank you very much. And next is Alicia's room. She brought her own mirror and then she brought this trolley.
It's useful to put in your
Yeah, stuff.
People are always amazed by this one.
Yeah. And next, this is the study table. So she brought her own light as well.
Cheers.
Motivation.
This is our bed. Comfy.
Yeah. She loves
Toilet.
coffee, guys. Look at that.
Toiletries.
And her toilet is so different from mine. Look at hers. So clean.
I don't like to put my toiletries in kitchen stations.
Yeah, she brought this table. Okay, so thanks for watching our room tour. Hope you enjoyed seeing our room.
Comment down below, press the bell button and hit the subscribe button.